Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, Gus here again from Belgium. Welcome in this small tutorial video. In this tutorial video I will show you some important settings in your WordPress website. There are some settings, but to be honest I only tweak a few and I will show you right now what are the most important ones. So let's jump into my screen. So this is a test website, it doesn't matter, I told you before, this is the Astra team. So let's go back to the dashboard. They have a free and pay team. So, but this is the thing I'm going to show you. So let me hide my face. Let's go to settings. It's really easy and straightforward, by the way, guys. So let me, okay. So this is your site title. I always advise to edit the tagline because it looks a little bit strange, right? This means and another WordPress website. As you know, I'm from Belgium, we speak Dutch, so this is Dutch text. In your case, it will be English or your local language. So always change that. It's good for the SEO, by the way. Okay, this is the website URL, nothing special. Site language, okay. Now it's currently English, but most of my websites are, of course, in Dutch. You can select your own language, always do that. Of course, always select the correct time zone. If you do not know it, you can see or search, sorry, for your, say, Brussels, from Belgium, right? Okay, your city. Date format, time format, leave it like it is. Week starts on Monday, well, normally it is, right? So, as you see, really easy, and always in the end, click on the button Save Changes. Then go to writing. Do I change something here? No, I don't. So you can drop this. Reading, again an important one. This is one of the most important ones. Why? Yeah, having a website is one thing, but having a website who scores good on Google is good, right? So if this is checked, you see discourage search engines. So Google is a search engine from indexing the site. Well, then it will never pick up your website, even if you do tons of stuff. This is very important, so you have to uncheck this and then click on Save Changes. Of course, I will check it again. Why? Because this is a test website, okay? So here you can also do some other things. Normally I never edit that. Yeah, if your homepage, if you want to display blog items there, you can go for this option, but for me this is more than enough. Then we go to discussion. Here are lots of settings, but I will show you the most easy ones, which I always enable. So, or disable. Allow people to post comments on new articles. I always disable this. This I leave it like it is. And then email me. Okay, that's good, but comments must be manually approved. Why do I mostly, not always, but for most of my clients' website I do that. In the past I had some websites who got buried about the comments, and yeah, I mean comments mostly that became from, what's the name, bots, spam bots, etc., or real fake people who want to spam your website, etc., so that's not good. So when you check this, commands must be manually approved and you are safe against that. So yeah, for this you can change your avatar color. So this is the avatar, but that's just some small stuff. So always click on Save Changes. Then of course media links, yeah, you can edit your size here, but mostly you can do that in the settings of your WordPress theme also. I will make other videos about that also. So no, I don't touch this, but this is really important for the people who are checking my channel for some time. They know I always put this on postname. Why? Because this is good for SEO standards. It's on this, but yeah, not many people Google or search on this, right? So when it's on postname, it's more clear. So maybe I can show you an example. my first page. Okay, this one is a good one. I made this in the past. So website company in London. Okay, people from London who need a website company, yeah, they will search that, right? So here you see, when I go to view page, here is the date, so that's not good. So normally it should display, but it's a setting. Here it is. So let's website. Okay, and we click on update. And of course we click view page, close this one, and here you see. So this is a small trick for the SEO. Just change the permalinks to postname, and of course we always click on save changes. Then of course we have a new one since few months. Is a new option about the GDPR, privacy, etc. You can check that out. Normally I just create a special separate page for that. Maybe I will do a video about that also in the future. So okay, so as you see, there are lots of options, settings, but I only do a few. But once again, on the reading, this is a really important one. Permalinks, really important one. On the discussion one, allow people. Okay, you can. That's not an issue, but at least you must approve it manually, because before you know, your blog or website can get really buried by strange comments, so that's not good. Okay, and the other things, on general tab I showed you, just change the language, add your okay, no, just change the language, and of course remove this and add something which is relevant for your website. It's also important for the SEO. And site title, this is the title test, so if you change that, maybe test 2, go to save changes, you see already in the top, it's title tag, right? So, as you see, once again, a really clean, fast, step-by-step tutorial. If you have any questions, just comment below, and have a great day, guys. Bye!